Good morning, my name is Liam Thornton and I represent Sonic Communications International Limited, which forms part of the Soncell group of companies. I'd like to take this opportunity to provide you with a brief introduction to our new commercial intercom system. Our commercial intercom has been designed to be installed into armoured vehicles which don't have retracting windows. Our system allows the driver or the passenger to communicate with people outside of the vehicle without compromising the vehicle's integrity when stationary or passing through vehicle checkpoints. Two discrete IP68 microphones are installed in the vehicle's wing mirrors, along with a waterproof loudspeaker under the bonnet. An internal visor microphone, loudspeaker and a dash or center console mount controller provides internal and external volume control, as well as momentary or latching PTTs. The intercom can be powered from 12 volts to 24 volts DC and draws less than 3 amps when it's in use. Our use of automotive cables and connectors makes the system very easy to install into armoured vehicles, which typically don't have very large cable entry glands. Although our system is very simple to install and operate, we are able to provide vehicle manufacturers with installation, operation and maintenance training if required. Our extensive manufacturer's warranty, when combined with a very small quantity of spare parts, ensures the vehicle's communication system is always 100% operational. If you require any additional information, please visit our website www.sonic-comms.com, where you'll be able to find additional information and contact details.